Does it bother you at all? No? What about water? Would you like to go for a swim?
I'd love to, Mama.
Thank heavens for that. Now your father has taken the others off for their first swimming lessons, so how about you and me do the same, right here at the water's edge? Nothing too fancy, mind you, just the basics to get you started. The most happy fella, well done, below each thigh. A propeller must keep paddling like the clappers you keep paddling with your flappers while seeming to be dreaming. And hold like this. That's the way. Bend your knees. No splashing, please.
Sorry.
And steady. Watch that eddy to your right. Dangerous. He's a natural in a class of his own. This is wonderful. I am feeling full grown. Look at you. You have every reason to hold your head up high. As you free from all troubles, your back stays nice and straight. But my bottoms and bubbles you keep paddling like the clappers you keep paddling with your flappers while seeming. All of you must get along. He's a special son. Come along, all of you now. But stay close to me at all times or you may get trotted on. And beware of the cat.
Look at him, like him bending the knees or not. Look at him, Dad's on the eggshell shot. There's a dangerous scene now when they see our room. He's a balance for us now.
Why are you so rude? Look at you, look at me, what's the matter?
Isn't it obvious?
Why do I make you all laugh and
Have
smile?
you seen your reflection?
Why can't we play with the fishes?
Because you scared them off.
Look at him, still a duckling, but there's so much more. Look at him, finest cat food that I ever saw. Better still, he won't be missed. They think he's a flop. Maybe they'll let me assist, giving him the chop.
Now, in a moment, you will be presented to Her Grace, the most distinguished duck on the lake.
Hungry too. Why are you picking on me?
If they knew just how dearly I would love to honk, but it's true, I'm a bird who seems to lack the knack. I'm just different from the rest, and who can blame them wanting me to find I'm just different, but I have a sense of pride. My looks may well be funny, but I hurt the same inside. But different isn't spiteful, different isn't wrong. So why is it so hard to get along? I only want to get along. Different isn't hateful. Different could be swell. Different is just, well, different.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
I don't have any friends. Everyone hates me because I'm ugly. Oh, they're too cruel. I think you look delicious. What did you just say? Oh, I said poultry. It can be so malicious. Look at them guzzling all that bread. It's supposed to be really nice. It's French. A la orange. Do you mean to say they did not let you have any? Not a crumb. Well, that settles it then. Lunch is on me. Do you really mean it? You really are a friend. Of course I am. Now, just follow me. I think I better tell my mother. Oh, no, you mustn't. I think I really should. Listen, we won't be gone for long. What harm can it do? And you're hungry, aren't you? Yes, I am. Well, that makes two of us. Well, if you're sure. I'm quite sure. Snack Shack. Fast food for famished felines. Now, let me see. Casserole of duck. Duck with cherries. Packing duck. Ah! Here we are. Duck a la orange. What are we having? I'm having you for lunch. Yes, I know. I mean, what are we gonna eat? Oh, I'll whip something up for you. A surprise. You know, my mother must have been thinking of someone else. She told me to beware of the cat. Oh, ha, ha. Bless her. Mothers are always the same. For some reason, they seem to think it's part of their job description to stop us from having fun. Not my mother, though. Oh, no. Do you know what she used to say to me? You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig up all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten cadet, one phrase that let me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chip your child before you do it. You can play with your food, you can't feed it. So Ducky, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your cup before the fun. You can play with your food while I fight it. It's a crazy little game called lunch. So, tell me, Ducky, what would you like to play? It can be anything. I won't tell your mother. Anything? Well, I'd like ducky, 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 let me play with you. You can play with the food before you fight it. You can toy with the tough before the fun. You can play with your food while you fight it. It's a crazy little game. Do you like oranges?
I don't know. I never tried one.
Well, suck on this. It's a crazy little game called
Woo! Yeah. Woo!
I wonder if you can help.
No excuse for a bad navigation. Let's not talk to him. Keep walking, dear.
I don't know where I'm going.
No excuse for a bad.
I was flying over there a few minutes ago.
Well, if you saw him flying, it was probably their last mission. What?
What do you mean?
There's a shoot on the marsh, dear. It's very dangerous.
What is a shoot?
Well, it's a people sport. A group of men move through the marsh, scaring the ducks up in the air. And another group with guns shoots them back up in the air again.
The cat warned me about the people.
The cat?
Well, yes. You see, I went off with this cat.
Didn't your mother warn you how dangerous that cat is?
Well, yes, she did. But the cat said she was my friend.
You don't want friends like that, dear. Your mother was right to warn you.
She was?
Gun dogs. They must be starting to shoot again. Time for maneuvers. All right, company. Aariv.
Whereabouts of your farm? We're up in the last we're blown into kingdom come. We won't be back until we found your mom.
Barnacles. Cattails do not advance. One of the things they're most famous for is being rooted to the spot. Hello, ducky. Thought I lost you. Stand back or peck. Ooh, be still my quaking legs. I'm going to be goose.
What are you doing here?
What are friends for? I've come to take you home. Your mother is carrying on something fearful.
My mother. You see my mother?
Of course. She sent me to fetch you. You listen here, Cat. I'm in command around here, and my squadron has taken personal charge of this duckling's safe return to his mother. Well, I wouldn't be so sure flying at the moment. Haven't you heard the guns? We will commence maneuvers as soon as the shooting party is over. Is there a fire want to silence in the ranks? No, sir. Maybe I could be of assistance. I'll go over to the chute, then I'll let you know when to pack up for the day.
We hope you have a pleasant journey, and we thank you for flying with Goose Air, the fluffy skies.
We're off to the shoreless. Duckling is not so long. We won't be back until we find. The coast is clear. They're putting away their gun. Are you sure? On one of my life. All right, team. Final check. Here's a parachute for you. For me? You don't think I'm gonna leave you here with the duckling, do you? Oh no, Buzz. You're coming with us. Oh, cat litter. Our wings are spread, so don't delay. Our excess bags are stored away. It's time to fly. We're off on a wild goose chase, and we're happy ending and everything if we can locate his nest. Locate his nest. We're off, cheerio. Goodbye to the little child. We won't be back until we found your mom.
Woo!
I'll try. What are you?
A swan. Ooh, mind you don't hurt yourself in that hook. No point in us both getting damaged.
A swan?
Typical me. My first migration, and what happens?
Your first what?
Migration. anyone all these questions.
Sorry.
What's your name?
Everyone calls me ugly.
Oh, don't listen to them. It's a stage we all go through.
How could anyone call you names?
Well, like I say, it's just a stage we all have to go through.
Excuse me, can you lift up your wing?
My mother always wanted me to avoid the fishing lines that people left behind.
So did mine! She told me when we were out swimming. There, just one more loop around your leg.
Oh, thank you. I thought I was going to be left here alone, and this is no place to spend the winter. Where's your flock?
I don't know. I'm lost. I was separated from my family, and the more I looked for them, the further it seems I wander away.
That's dreadful. When did you last see them?
In the spring.
In the spring? You've been lost since the spring? You can't stay here for the winter. You'll freeze.
No, I'll be alright.
Annie! Come with us. The others won't mind, and the next spring we can return together and help you find your family.
Oh, I couldn't possibly.
Of course you could. Come on, or we'll never catch up.
Oh, Penny, I'd love to. I'd really love to. But I can't fly. Well, not enough, at least to go with you.
It doesn't matter if you're not as strong as the others. I'll stay back with you and fly at your pace.
It sounds wonderful, but I have to keep going. I have to find my mother. I'm sure she can't be far away. Maybe sometime in the spring we can meet up again.
I'd like that. Are you sure you'll be all right?
I'm sure.
Penny, come along, darling, we'll be late.
I don't like to leave you here like this, but I really have to go. Goodbye, and thank you again.
Huh? She don't remember me. I bet she doesn't even come back. Wouldn't she want anything to do with me? Leave me alone!
Sorry, Feathers. Didn't mean to make you jump. Not that there's anything wrong with jumping, of course. It sort of runs in the family, or jumps in the family, depending on how you
What do you want?
want.
Well, go on. You might as well take it off your chest and tell me how ugly I am.
Ugly?
There. I hope you feel better.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You mind if I hop off and come back on again? I mean, have a word with yourself, Feathers. Who am I to call you ugly? Look at me. There, see, I mean, connect the dots. If we're talking ugly, they don't come much more aesthetically challenged than me. I know what your trouble is. You've been praising yourself too much.
What do you mean?
You got down in the mouth. Come on, I'm getting nothing here. Nothing. Give us a smile.
I want to be left on my own.
No, that's just downright antisocial. Hang on. I got a human in my throat. Well, I know how you feel. I started out as a blob of jelly, and it's been downhill ever since. Sometimes I say to myself, I'm just a handsome prince in frog's clothing. If you just sit tight on your lily pad, each silly fad will pass. Then those who sport these seasons will fall flat on their ass. Your mother what it's called. For fashion is a fickle thing, but just you wait and see. The day will come when we're in style and you're guaranteed. Out there, someone's gonna rob ya. Someone's gonna rob ya. Warts and all. Out there, just around the corner, in amongst the farm. Just think what happened
satisfy the both of us. Well, I don't like oranges if that's part of the plan. Look, if you come with me, I'll take you to the farm so you can see your mother for one last time.
Either way, I get eaten, right?
Well, you can't have it both ways. Quick, make up your mind.
All right, you're on.
And remember, don't try any funny business. Remember, this way you get to see your mother again.
Honey? No, not like this. Not after all this time. What was it all for? What was the point of your little life? It can't end like this. It can't.
Nor will it, my dear.
But he's dead. My baby duckling is dead. And it's all my fault. He wandered away from the nest last spring. I should have gone after him straight away, but I had his brothers and sisters rear. I couldn't just leave them. But now it's too late.
Cry, my dear. For the Lord upon his tears and on the stoniest frost.
Oh, if only I could believe that.
He must. What do we have if we don't have hope?
Woo! Woo!
I'm not a duck! I'm not a duck! I'm a swan!
Woo! Woo!
Just knowing you were out there helped me to get by. And now reunited, I can hold my head up high.
Woo! Woo!
Father, it's him, the young Simon I told you about. Do you remember me? Oh, come on, please say you remember me.
Of course I remember you, Penny. How can I forget you? You're the most beautiful thing I ever seen.
Well, you should take a look at your own reflection.
Do you know I was a swan?
Of course I did. That's why I asked you to come with us.
You can do it. Take a run at it. That's the way. You didn't really think I'd leave you behind? Oh, but you must. You must think about yourself now. It's your life and you belong with the swans. But why? You're my mother, and you raised me, and that's what counts. Well, it takes all sorts to make a world, and you said the duck garden would be so boring if we all looked the same. So that's why I came back with you to be different.
We're both coming back.
To be the first swans on the lake. I've been different all my life. I've been different as a duckling, and I'll be just as different as a swan. I like being me. I like my honk. I like being different. You're certainly that. Well, what are we waiting for? I can't wait to see Drake's reaction. He might as well lay an egg, and what that turns into, he doesn't bear thinking about. Wait. Hello. Swanee? Swanee? Swanee! How I love you, how I love you! I quit! I give up! I surrender! All this time I've been working so hard! Take me to the finish
Look at him. Have you ever seen a finer bird? We are feeling rather small in the social bay. Maybe you'll forgive us all every fall. When life must have snow, we are here.
Of course I forgive you all. I'm just happy to see you all again. And to introduce you to someone, this is Penny.
Hello.
Hello, Penny.
I've been getting very long in the bill, and I feel the time is right for me to relinquish the red band. We are with pride, my dear, for you are the finest bird on the lake, as I know I was in my own day. And let it be known, the red band should be known from this day forth as the Sigget Ring.
Look at him, look at us, see that difference. Why we ever think him undone?
I always knew that my family was blessed with royal blood.
Oh, yes, 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 yes!
Why?
I made it through Thanksgiving!
Hey.